Hi everyone, today is August 4th and it's already 6 o'clock. It glits up now. Oh, there is a seen the hummingbird. Oh, look at that, the leaves flying all over. I will check on the other side. Oh, pretty rain. Oh, my plant, it fell. No, I cannot see because the window is there. The plant. Oh, the power outage because of the heavy wind. So that is the wind, 40 miles per hour. I hope that branch will not break because it's gonna fall on this deck. The apple tree is full. Some of the apples there, tingnan ninyo, nahulog yan. Kinuha ko. Okay, oh, ang wind. Oh my! My plant. I'm scared with this tree because it's so keep safe ka mo dyan. Look at that, the wind is very heavy, strong. My plant, oh, that's very windy guys. Oh, the pear tree is still standing. Ah.
Hopefully the bird's nest is alright.
So that's it. Keep safe. My plant is already in the ground. So it's still going on. So keep safe everyone. That's it for now. Until next time, see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.